Finally, another cold day across west central Ohio. Our high comes in at 21 degrees, which is still well below where we should be at around 36. But this is a warm up compared to what we had over the weekend when we had temperatures only in the teens. Keep in mind, Friday, we spent the entire daylight hours below zero. So again, we've had colder the last few days, so we're starting to slowly stair step our way out of this. Looking at our weather out there tonight, it is certainly a very chilly one out there. We had a few flurries and snow showers with a weakening disturbance earlier this evening, but now we're just left with a really pretty quiet radar sweep across the area. We could see a few more occasional flurries making our way through tonight. Temperature at 21 in Lima, 22 for Elida, as well as Delphos, Fort Jennings, 21 Bluffton, as well as Waynesville. Zooming out the view, you can see temperatures pretty uniform from north to south, and we'll see numbers fall back into the teens, but only the teens. We're not going to track the single digits and zeros like we had over the weekend. We are still tracking mainly cloudy skies, and there is at least a chance. Forecast models have been showing the possibility in a few spots we could develop some patchy freezing fog, a lot of low-lying moisture in the atmosphere, and if we do get that to develop, it could create a couple icy patches, which we already have a few slick spots out there anyway from the snow showers that fell earlier on. So just keep that in mind. I would allow a few extra minutes to head off to work tomorrow morning. Then looking at our Tuesday forecast, still mostly cloudy, but we'll try to work in a few peaks of sun by the time we get to the afternoon. So tonight, temperatures back down into the middle teens, 14 degrees for Lima. And looking at our Tuesday, it is going to be actually not too bad. We're getting closer to normal, back up to 30 degrees by Tuesday afternoon. So if we make it above freezing, I think that might be deserving here of a parade. And I think we're going to get that on Wednesday with warmer temperatures. We will start to break out some of the clouds too. So the sun is certainly going to help aid in the warmth, but also that wind out of the southwest. So we're going to have both of those coming together for Wednesday. So Wednesday, finally, a good day to maybe get that car wash. We're going to start melting a lot of the snow away with temperatures getting close to 40 degrees. But then clouds will come back to us on Thursday, and that's going to signal a fairly active weather pattern. So a lot of times in January, when you get well above normal temperatures, often the price we have to pay is rain, and we're going to have plenty of that, it appears, heading into the end of the week here. And into the start of the new year, you can see temperatures certainly favor to be warmer than average across the nation's eastern sections, but also you notice the precipitation is up there with above normal moisture. But this is actually welcome because we are still technically running below average. So the rain is good, and certainly I think a lot of us, even if you're a fan of winter weather, maybe the last few days have been just a little much. We are looking at a nice break with temperatures near 50 from Thursday, actually all the way through early next week. So any moisture that we see should just be in the form of rain as we head into the weekend.